Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all doing well and having a great start to 2024. Here is a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on this newly released Class 47 from Graham Farish. Now the model has got a Next18 interface, so John installed a Zemo MS581 Next18 sound decoder loaded with our ZS47P Protodrive sound project, made use of the factory fitted speaker, but also added some Zemo Stacco stair live capacitors to ensure silky smooth running. Here's a little photo of how he did the install, so you see where the decoder went, the factory fitted speaker is, and how he installed the stair live capacitors. The actual model that you see featured in the video will be for sale, so I'll pop a link to that in the description below. If you're interested in fitting your own Class 47, I'll also put a link to the parts that John used, so you can purchase those as well. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so don't miss out on any future videos. And if you're interested in getting DCC fitted into your locos, either sound or non-sound, please get in touch with our workshop team, either via inquiries at digitrains.co.uk or over the phone on 01522 527 731. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.